Hello, good morning, everyone. Today we'll see the communicating the health messages. Communicating the health messages or health communication has become increasingly centered to the health promotion effort in, in the last 20 years. That means the health education is a very broad field of study that includes the analysis of the interactions between healthcare providers and consumers in the delivery of care. The way consumer seeks relevant health information, the provision of social support, the preserving and sharing of health information using different media and information technologies, the sharing of health information for informed healthcare decisions making, use of communication to coordinate interpretant activities between the healthcare providers, the admission of the personnel and the resources within the complex healthcare system, and the development of the health communication campaign interventions for the health education and the health promotion. The strategic health communication efforts are effective at influencing behavior. They draw on social, psychology, health education, mass communication, and marketing to develop and deliver influencing health promotion and prevention messages that appeal the unique audience capabilities and orientation. And we can say that health communication has been broadly defined by the Everett Rogers, a pioneer in the communication field, as any type of human communication concerned with the health. Communicating a health messages encompasses the study and the use of communication strategies to inform and influence individuals and community decision and enhance health. Then we will see the factors contributing to the successful communication of the health education. Yes, the process of communication, the health messages must have a specific attributes for the successful communication. Here some points are here, we will discuss one by one. Clarity of the message. Yes, if the message is clear, there should not be any kind of problem. The message should be clear to the audience. In other words, we can say it should be easy for them to point out the action to be taken, the incentives or reasons for taking those actions, as well as the evidence for the incentives and any background information or definitions, elements that can help or hinder clarity, including the language, speed, amount of content, and background. Then comes the accuracy of the message. The message delivered for health education must be accurate and faithful without the presence of any error. Because of accuracy of the message sent during the health education has immense value in the successful achievement of objectives of the health education. Now, availability of the appropriate resources to deliver the health messages. It must be ensured that there is availability of the appropriate resources for the communicating the health messages, because the target people must be able to have a access and ability of these resources to receive the health messages. Consistency in delivering the health messages. There must be a provision that the health messages is delivered consistently to the target people so that their motivations can help them achieve the desired goal or objectives to health education. Health message must be, next is the health message must be cultural, competent, and appropriate. Each society of the group of the people has set cultural values. Therefore, it must be ensured that the health message delivered in culturally appropriate to avoid the undue problems and hindrance of the health message delivery. Then next comes the validity and reliability of the health messages. The health message to be delivered must be valid and reliable for the content and Methods of message delivery to the desired purpose of health education may be achieved. Next is the constant repetition and reinforcement. There must be a constant repetition and reinforcement for a communication of the health messages whenever required, because that helps in bringing a permanent changes in the health behavior. Individuals who are reluctant to expect changes in their health behavior. Next is the understandability of the health messages to the communicated. The language and the content of the health message to be delivered must be understandable to the recipient so that the desired purpose may be achieved. For example, we can say the supplying a health education pamphlets in a local language to the target people may be save the purpose, and the people can appropriately understand and health message conveyed to them. Feasibility of the health message. It must be ensure that the health message to be delivered is feasible in terms of time, money, and resources available. So we have seen the factors affecting the health messages. Now one more is there, the realistic message. Message must be realistic. This means they should not make an extreme claim or use extreme examples, avoid highly dramatic episodes, and provide accurate, non-misleading information. Now the messengers factors contributing to the successful communication of the health message. The following essential messages factors may contribute to the successful communication of the health factors. The factors may be further enhance the credibility of the messengers. That is the power, perceived expertise, perceived honesty, attractiveness, bring similar to the target audience, dialogue, personal letters, home visits. That is the factors contributing to the successful contribution. So we will see one by one. The power, the strength and positive enforcement the messages is communicating the message to recipient with this help in seeking the attractions and faith of the recipient. Second one is the perceived expertise. Expertise is the key success in the communication of the message to target the audience, because it provides the messengers with the ability to handle all types of complexity in the communication of the message, as well as the question answer session with the message recipient. Next one is the perceived honesty. Honesty is the messengers provides them with the sincerity to the accomplish her task of communication of the health message. Attractiveness of the messengers does have some significant value in the communication of the health message, because it is a universal truth. Everyone likes to see and interact with a person who is attractive and good looking. Then comes the being similar to the target audience. Starting the communication of the health message with a similar target and audience help the messengers to easily accommodate with the similar new audience and the situation. So this was the factors contributing the successful communication. Now comes the method and media for the communication and health messages. So this we will see in a next video. Okay, if you like this video, like and share it. If anybody in your knowledge would like to get the admission in BSc nursing or as well as the paramedicals, get contact and tell them to get the admission in T.S. Mishra College of Nursing. If they are getting admission before 31st of July, they will get the fees package 10,000 deduction on their fees. Okay, bye bye.